Hi, my name's Pascal. Would you like to learn about my triangle?
Is that really your triangle, or did you just name it after yourself?
I am a 17th century mathematician. I'm very important. I write a lot of important things. Even if people utilized it before I was even born, it's my triangle. We're always going to start on the 0 row with number 1. Right there. See, and so what we're going to do is we're going to imagine zeros on either side of that. And so this is going to stem off into 2 places. You're going to adding with the zeros. And then we're going to put 2 1s on either side. And as we go down the triangle, the 1s are going to continue to cascade down the sides. So, and now when we continue to make the triangle, we're going to add these together, continuing to have the zeros on the outside. And so that's going to bring the one in the middle to a 2. And the outsides are going to remain number 1. And then we're going to continue to do that pattern down. So as you can see, every number is a product of the 2 numbers above it. Like mom and dad, they make 3, 1 and 2. Plus 2, 3. Anyways, and the 1s continue to go down all the way, and then we stop when we have our first double-digit number, because that is far enough for us. So when we add up all of these numbers, each row has its own value. So 1 is 1. But then 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 1 times 2 is also 2. Whoa! But see, it doesn't just say like that, because 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. And then 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. My card says. And then that continues with the next row being 16, and the row after that being 32. Now, Ella,
yes?
Do you see any connections between these numbers of the values of the rows?
Are they being multiplied by 2?
They are. Every single row of the triangle's complete added value can be times 2 to equal the next row.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
That's helpful.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Pascal. Illuminati confirmed.
Okay.
So, tell me a little bit about yourself. Haven't talked to anyone since the 17th century anyways. Do you play any sports?
I'm on the hockey team.
Really? Guess what that applies to?
The triangle?
My triangle. Anyways, so what you do is you got to start in the corner, wherever there's a 1, because there's always 1 on the outside. And so, you get your 1 and you're going to go diagonal. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. And add those together for me, please.
1, 2, 3, and 4?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that equals 10.
Really? Because that's what's right here. So if you just put a little stick right there, put it around, and you're ready to hit the puck.
Wow.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who knows? I have 4 spoons. This demonstrates, and choose K, by the way. Anyways, I have 4 spoons, and you want to choose one of them. How many different ways can you choose 1 spoon?
Can I use the triangle to figure that out?
You can. Since this is the 0th row, that does not count when we go down. But you would go down 4 rows, and then so you want to choose 1, you would go in 1. And what number would that have you left with?
4.
Because there are 4 different ways you can choose 1. But say you wanted to choose 2 spoons.
How would I do that?
We'll try going in 2.
1, 2.
6. So there would be 6 ways of choosing 2 spoons out of these 4 spoons that I have. Staying the life, working with my triangle, taking people's souls. Taylor Swift, Beyonce, you're my girls.
Learn today.
The patterns are endless.
Yup.